Blasting for a while and cleaning. Ears are about shot. Wear earplugs. I didn't do it. Alright, I got this cleaned up pretty good. Not too bad. Hopefully it's decent. Don't know. It is what it is. I'm going to check for trueness here in a minute. In case they're all blasted and cleaned. Oh, I didn't pull all the bolts out, but I went ahead and clean the inside a little bit because they're kind of dirty. Ooh. Where's all that coming from? That's a mess. Gotta blow that off some more, huh? Some nastiness is coming out. Probably out of the rod, I'm guessing. Yeah. Didn't blow the rod out adequately. Yeah, it was rushed. Alright, got this all cleaned up. Got all the bearings cleaned out, so they'll rotate like they're supposed to now. Don't know if you can see that, but they're supposed to rotate like that when you're done cleaning. Doesn't look too bad now. I'm sure there's some acid etching in there though. To be done correctly, you have to clean it up. Well, what we're doing right now, it's adequate. Okay, I need to check this for trueness. I need to blow the rod out better too, so let's go ahead and blow the rod out a little bit. Twist that around there. I made a mess. Time for some more noise. So I wanted to do it here. More noise. That'll be enough. I'm not blowing outside because it's past 10 o'clock. That's enough over there. Okay, we got that pretty well cleaned up. Okay, so let's see what we're going to do here. Let me check the crank for trueness. First thing we're going to do. Tripod untangled over here. Okay, I'm going to go over here. Got crap everywhere. Put this thing right over here to kind of see what's going on. Okay, I got to move this in because I did an M8 here the other day. Welded up one. Needed to be straightened after first race. Yeah, we'll drag race the motor. It didn't hold. Had to be straightened anyway. Okay, get closer together. Get out of the way. Get a crank. Okay, crank. A little oil on the tapers here. Makes them live better. Okay, let's see, it's just the right amount of deal. And a little bit closer. Right there should be adequate. Good enough for who it's for. That'd be me. Okay, hopefully it goes in far enough. Okay, we don't have a lot of room to work here with the bearings on here, but we'll put it right there. See how close we are. The right side I can't do. Crank looks pretty damn true, so I think we're good. So the bearings are in the way here. I can't do it. I got to pull the bearings off, slide all over, and all the rollers go everywhere. So I don't want to deal with that. So I'm just coming off right here. So you see how this goes up and down as that goes. And you can see how little it's moving. Crank's pretty true, definitely enough to mock up. You can see it's not wiggling on this side at all either. It looks nice and true. Okay, so I'm going to say that's good enough. He's going to probably run this thing as is, not do anything. Okay, what did I do? I think I broke something. Yeah, whatever that was, it broke. Or the bolt came through or something. Oh, it was in my way. Still in my way. Supposed to be a grab handle. Doesn't help. I just use my leg. I don't need a fancy grab handle. Okay, so we got the crank screwed up. The next thing I do is see if this bearing fits on the other bearing, and then this one here we're going to have to come up with a thrust spacing washer in there to do it. All right, I'll do that.